Good morning, respected parents and my dear students. How are you all? I would like to request my parents, please do not tell the answers to your child. Let them think. Today we are here for grade 4 science, block number 3 and topic number 3. Now, let's do the revision what we have done yesterday. Okay, now let me know which region we have read yesterday. We have read about mountains, okay, desert, coastal areas, plains and swampy areas. Wow, what we have read about these areas? We have read about the plants type in these areas. Wow, good. Can you tell me why the mountain have the conical shaped trees? Because the snow used to be there on the mountains, and whenever the snow will fall on the trees, then the tree can break. But if the shape is like the cone, then the snow can slip down. Very good. Now tell me any feature of a plant that is grown in desert area. Okay, the leaves are of round in shape. Thorny, yes. कांटेदार होते हैं. Good. What else? They are waxy. Yes, wax की तरह उनकी leaves होती है. Good. So today we will start a new topic. Before that, I would like to ask some questions from you. Now let me know. We have read about the plants in forest. We have read about the plants which are grown in our house or near a house. We have read about the plants of mountain, desert, swampy areas. These, which type of plant are left? Think. The thing which you need every day. You drink a lot. What? Water. Yes. Today we will talk about the water plants. But tell me one thing. If the mango tree is grown in a water, will it survive or not? It will die. But reason why? It's not having such type of features. Okay. Suppose if you are swimming in a pond or in a lake or in a swimming pool and you want to dive inside the deep. So what features you should have? You should know how to hold the breath. अपनी सांस कैसे रोकनी है कुछ seconds के लिए या minutes के लिए. Okay. Now, let me know what about the animals that are living in the water? Do they have the same features like the animals living on the land or different features? They have different features. What features a water animal should have for living in the water? They should have gills, okay, a tail. Tail तो हमारे dog की भी होती है. What else? Streamlined body. Yes, the features of water animals and the land animals are different. Yes. So today we will talk about the water plants. Let's move towards our topic. So today our topic is water plants, पानी वाले plants. Aim is compare the features of land and water plants. आज हम तुलना करेंगे कि land plants और water plants में जो features हैं उनमें क्या difference है या क्या similarities है वो हम देखेंगे. Can you tell me one or two difference between a rose plant and a lotus plant? Okay, the rose plants we grow on the land, but the lotus are grown in the water. The rose plants leaves are very small. The lotus leaves are very broad, है ना? बड़ी बड़ी होती हैं. Okay, now, so our activity is based on this only. ठीक है? Before that, I'm going to tell you one amazing fact that bamboo plant is the fastest growing plant in the world. Now let's move towards our activity part. The activity is that you have to observe the pictures given on page number 21 of S3. The first picture is this. This is of lotus. It's a lotus. And this is hydrilla. Now, what you have to do? You have to compare these two plants with the land plants. Okay, then you have to see what is the similarities between these two plants and the land plants, and what is the difference between the plants of the land and these plants. Clear? After doing this, then you have to fill this Venn diagram. You can write the similarities here and the difference here, or you can write in a Venn diagram like I have done here. I will be writing the water plants regarding the features. Here I will be writing the land plants features, and here in the mid I will be writing the similarities between the land plants and the water plants. For example, I wrote here grow in water, these water plants, and land plants grow on land, and the similarity is they both are the kind of plants. So more you have to write in this Venn diagram. Clear? Now have a look how I have done the activity. The differences between the water plant and the land plant. First, let's discuss with the water plants. They grow in the water. Thin stem, बहुत पतली स्टेम होती है. ब्रॉड लीव्स, बहुत चौड़े चौड़े पत्ते होते हैं. वैक्सी कोट ऑन द लीव्स, उनकी जो लीव्स होती हैं उनके ऊपर वैक्स यानी मोम जैसी कोई कोटिंग होती है. नेक्स्ट इज द एयर स्पेस इन स्टेम, उनकी जो स्टेम होती है उसके अंदर एयर स्पेस होती है. एंड नेक्स्ट इज द स्मॉल रूट्स, उनकी रूट्स बहुत छोटी होती है. नेक्स्ट लैंड्स में जो प्लांट्स होते हैं उनका डिस्कस करते हैं. स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टेम, उनकी स्टेम स्ट्रॉन्ग होती है. स्मॉल लीव्स, लीव्स छोटी होती है. फ्लावरिंग एंड फ्रूट प्लांट्स, फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स भी होते हैं और फ्रूट प्लांट्स दोनों ही होते हैं. रूट्स डीप इनसाइड द सॉइल, जो इनकी रूट्स होती है वो बहुत अंदर तक होती है ज़मीन पे. कैन सर्वाइव विदाउट वाटर फॉर सम डेज, ये बिना पानी के कुछ दिन तक रह सकते हैं. लेट्स डिस्कस द सिमिलरिटीज बिटवीन बोथ ऑफ देम. बोथ आर द पार्ट ऑफ plants. Next they have the roots, stems, leaves. उन दोनों इनके roots हैं, इनके stem भी हैं, leaves भी हैं. Next, and both are the part of food chain. दोनों ही food chain के part है. These are helpful for the animals that lives in the water. Aquatic animals के लिए this is very beneficial. These are very important, and for land animals these are very important. I hope you have written the differences and the similarities between the land plants and the water plants. Before going towards the questioning part, I am going to tell you one amazing fact. The banana, केला, केले में एक ऐसा केमिकल होता है, नेचुरल केमिकल होता है जो लोगों को खुश रखने में हेल्प करता है. It makes the people happy. So eat the banana every day. So my first question is, how are land and water plants same? Both land and water plants have roots, stem, flowers and leaves. How are they different? Lotus and hydrilla have a long and weak stem. What are the unique features of the water plant? The leaves of lotus are round in shape and float on water, whereas the leaves of hydrilla are small. See the picture of lotus. Look at the leaves. They are so broad and beautiful, so big na? Name some common water plants. Water chestnut, singhara, pondweed, water hyacinth and duckweed. Just have a look. These are duckweeds. These are hyacinth, hydrilla, lotus. This is pondweed, water lily, Which features help them to live in water? The stems of water plants are weak and thin. This makes the plant light in weight and it can float easily. What makes them float on water? The weak and thin stem make the plant flexible in the moving water. The next question is, what protects their leaves in decaying in water? Decaying means सड़ने से कैसे बचाती हैं, क्या चीज़ बचाती है उनके leaves को? Their leaves have waxy coating which saves them from decaying in water. The next question is, why do they have small roots? They have small roots as they don't have to go deep to absorb water. The stem of lotus plant has holes in it. Just have a look. This is the stem of a lotus and see the holes in it. So now my question is, how does the stem of lotus help it to live in water? The stem of lotus is hollow from inside, means वो खोखली होती है. This makes light in weight and helps the plant to stand easily in water. Its roots are small and do not go deep to anchor it. Many water plants have air space in their leaves also. Anchor means Sahara. So the next question is, if an aquatic plant is removed from water and made it grow on land, will it survive? No, aquatic plants will not survive on land because availability of water is less on land than aquatic environment. And the body design of aquatic plants are not fit for land environment. Their roots are unable to absorb water from the deepest of the soil. They are unable to stand on the land. Students, please read page number 16, column water plants. Now do S3 of page number 21. Just look at this picture. It's the lotus and here is a hydrilla. The question number 1 is, write 2 unique features of a lotus plant. लोटस प्लांट से कुछ 2 विशेषताएं लिखनी है. The next question is, compare the feature of a lotus plant with your favorite land plant. अपने land plant को देखना है और lotus को देखना है और उसके बारे में लिखना है. Similarities, क्या चीज़ सेम है दोनों plants में और उनके बीच में क्या difference है. Next, what are the features that help a lotus plant to survive better in water? Do question number 5 and 6 of page number 18. Question number 5 is, let's list some features of water plants that make them different from land plants. And the second question is, name some common water plants. So let's sum up what we have done today. Today we have read about the features of aquatic plants, यानी पानी के प्लांट्स के फीचर्स हमने पढ़े, लाइक लॉन्ग, वीक, फ्लेक्सिबल स्टेम. उनकी स्टेम जो होती है वो बहुत लंबी होती है बट फ्लेक्सिबल होती है और बहुत वीक होती है. नेक्स्ट, स्मॉल रूट्स, जड़ें बहुत छोटी होती है. वैक्सी कोट ऑन लीव्स, उनके पत्तों पर वैक्स कोट होता है, मोम के जैसा कोटिंग होती है. एंड द एयर स्पेस इन स्टेम, उनकी जो स्टेम होती है उनके अंदर एयर स्पेस होते हैं लाइक दिस. Bye. Take care. Wait. Let's have an amazing facts. Brazil country. Brazil का नाम सुना है? उसका नाम, ब्राज़ील कंट्री का जो नाम है वो एक ट्री के नाम पे रखा गया है. Take care. Bye.